Well, as we head into 2019, we have been getting you a wrap of how the market and different sectors have fared in 2018. Today, we focus on some of the biggest mergers and acquisitions in the year gone by. Nisha Poda is here to run us through all those details. Nisha, take it away.
Well, thanks for that. On all parameters, 2018 has been a blockbuster year for the deal street. Now, deal value really crossed a whopping $100 billion in the year, and we saw it across the board in terms of mergers and acquisitions. But some themes that were clearly predominant: for one, the success of the deals under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. That was clearly a big achievement. Distressed asset sales alone clocked in about $10 billion worth of deals in 2018, and many in the pipeline still. Now, consolidation in many sectors is a big trend, and which will also continue going forward. And what is a clear highlight for 2018 is the global deals being struck in India, with MNCs really fighting it out for multi-billion-dollar deals. Now, I have compiled a list of top 10 deals in the year, and in no particular order. So here they are. HUL got a Horlicks boost by merging GSK Health with itself. Now, Unilever's push from overseas really helped it clinch the deal against Nestle. Complan also got sold in the same period. Well, Walmart, that acquiring Flipkart for a whopping $16 billion, that's a large deal. And remember that a deal in Flipkart was in the waiting for a long time now, and is clearly a massive one in the new age sector of e-commerce, and also remember marks the convergence of e-tail and retail. Now, our good old economy sectors, they are not too far behind actually. Kumar Mangalam Birla took the leap of faith, and Hindalco announced a global acquisition of aluminium player Aleris for $2.5 billion. Now, largest by an Indian conglomerate in the overseas markets in the recent times. Now, Aditya Birla Group's Ultratech also fought a fierce battle against Dalmia Bharat to acquire Binani Cement under the NCLT process, which has really changed the rules of the IBC game. Another large conglomerate, Tata Group, was not too far behind in taking advantage of buying assets under the IBC process, and Tata Steel bought in Bhushan Steel, and so the metal deals have really been topping the chart when it comes to the IBC process. Tata Steel also, remember, announced the formation of joint venture with ThyssenKrupp for the European operations. So it's quite a tie for Tatas and the Birlas when it comes to the deal street in 2018. Now, while a lot was expected from the financial services space, a few only fructified, and the biggest being IDFC Bank and Capital First merging to create IDFC First Bank. Now, after the consolidation in the telecom sector with Birla's mega deal to merge Idea Vodafone, which consummated this year, it's a very big landmark deal which we had earlier broken. Well, consolidation in cable TV was also itching to happen, and it did play out in this year, with Reliance buying out Den Networks and Hathaway Cable. So consolidation in hospitals was also very big after a hotly contested battle for Fortis Healthcare, which was clinched by the global player IHH. Another deal also came in at the fag end of the year, with KKR private equity firm really backing Radiant Life to buy out Max Healthcare to create the third largest hospital chain in the country. So a good comeback by Radiant, which was also, remember, keen on Fortis. So these are the large transactions that really took place for the year 2019. Market volatility and uncertainty ahead of elections can be a dampener.
Nisha, thanks a lot for that. A roundup of all the deals that took place in 2018. 2019 is something we will await. With that, we wrap up on Chartbusters with the news that the markets are the high point of the day. 100 points on the Nifty and a triple century for the Nifty Bank and the Sensex. Thanks for watching.